Out here in Atlantic Beach, we're putting in a front walkway, like we always do, pavers, and a landscape, like we always do, plants. We're doing a very wide walkway, a luxurious width of 6'4". We want to make this front walkway extremely walkable. We want it to stand out here. People have some beautiful paver setups, and we're just trying to add to that. This house is built way up on the big foundation. So we have a raised patio on the front here with 2 courses of wall block lifting it up about 1 foot and a 7-inch step coming down to the rest of the walkway. So to make up for something like this, where we could have a large ramp, we're just gonna do wall block and a step and keep things as flat as possible. Yeah, we don't usually take out something like this, but there was a lot of lumber just nailed into the concrete, which is pretty impressive. It's fairly easy to take out, which was also pretty impressive. This area right here, walking from the driveway to this, this side door, I think it accesses probably just behind their garage. They have a shower here, but they want some nice clean access to it. Want to keep their feet clean and somewhat dry. You know, compared to the flagstone that was here, we want to be cleaner than that. So we're gonna be digging out a little bit of dirt, putting in a black metal edge, weed mat, and rocks on top. And that should keep our shoes and maybe even our bare feet fairly clean and manageable for the back and forth here. It's okay, there's nothing in there. There was a big hole under the patio too. There's some armadillos burrowing around here, so we haven't seen them yet, but it's typical.